Meet the couch. Soft, sneaky, and the #1 killer of your to-do list. You say, I'll start after 1 video, then it's 3, then it's tomorrow. Here's the antidote, the 2-minute rule. Shrink any task into a tiny 2-minute start. Starting is the hard part. 2 minutes lowers the friction. Once you're in motion, momentum does the heavy lifting. Use it 2 ways. If it takes under 2 minutes, do it now. If it's bigger, do a 2-minute starter step. Study. Open the doc and type 1 ugly sentence. Clean, 2 minutes on 1 surface. Fitness, shoes on, 5 squats. Inbox, 1 short reply. Side project, first box on the page. Learning, 2 minutes, 1 note. Tie your micro start to a cue you already do. After coffee, open the doc. After lunch, take a 2-minute walk. Protect it. 5-second countdown. Phone, face down. Tiny timer. You can stop when it dings. Most days you won't. Let the couch bargain. You just start. 2 minutes turns later into now, and now often turns into 20. Your 7-day micro start challenge. Pick 1 goal. Define the 2-minute version. Do it daily and check it off. Drop your micro start in the comments with "Start."